performance of heat exchangers and chiller condensers often suffers from fouling and scaling, inevitable problems affecting power consumption, process efficiency, and equipment lifespan. Fouling and scaling have an enormous economic impact. With 50% of heat transfer resistance being attributed to fouling, it has been documented that the costs add up to 8% of industry's maintenance budgets, over 10% of electricity cost of HVAC systems, and up to 0.2% of the gross national product of industrialized nations such as the USA. The traditional way to deal with fouling issues is scheduled cleaning interruptions, during which the installations are mechanically or chemically cleaned. Standstill and production loss, manpower, equipment, and use of chemicals are factors that add up to the total fouling-related cost. Eqo-brush is the perfect solution for fouling issues. The technology is engineered to brush the tubes during the heat exchange process, so without any shutdown. The Eqo-brush system components are brushes with catch baskets. Brushes can vary in size and materials. Standard is stainless steel wiring with nylon hair and polypropylene end caps for temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius. Lifetime of these components goes up to 5 years. Reversing valves with electrical actuators. Eqo-brush valves are designed with a close to zero crossover rate. Crossover is the leaking of hot water into the cold water stream, which negatively affects the process performance. Different valve designs for different pressure levels and piping layouts are available. The reversing valve can also be of great value in regular automatic backflushing of plate heat exchangers, extending the interval between cleaning sessions. Control panel. Those can be standalone or connected to the process or building management system for remote monitoring and control. How it works. The beauty is in its simplicity. The automatic valve reverses the water flow in the heat exchanger every 4 hours for about 15 to 30 seconds without affecting the flow to the cooling tower. The heat exchange process will not be impacted in this short interval. The nylon brushes travel up and down the tubes, pushed by the water. Deposited matters are removed from the tube and won't have the chance to settle and crystallize. All removed matter eventually settles in the cooling tower basin. The system components are designed to generate minimal additional pressure loss by either the reversing valves or the brushes and baskets. Why use Eqo-brush? Save 10 to 20% electricity in chillers. Increase production capacity in industry. When the dissipation of heat is the limiting factor for capacity, Eqo-brush can clear this bottleneck, enabling full-speed production 24/7. Reduce shutdown times for manual cleaning or corrosion repairs. Save 20% water via cooling tower blowdown. Higher allowable cycles of concentration of the cooling water saves on makeup water. After all, mineral deposits do not have the chance to settle and crystallize in the tubes. Reduce use of cleaning chemicals and related disposal cost, as releasing cleaning chemicals to sewage systems or surface water is no option. Extend lifespan of equipment. Corroded tubes will start leaking and need to be blocked. With increasing numbers of blocked tubes, the equipment eventually can no longer be used. Reduce heat exchange surface with 20 to 30% in new projects via non-fouling designs. Design engineers factor in the expected fouling-related efficiency loss by increasing the heat exchange surface. Non-fouling designs are limited in size and capex, therefore free up budget for investment in Eqo-brush. Advantages such as the saving of electricity, water and chemical use have a direct environmental impact. Therefore, Eqo-brush is more than a contributor to the profitability of your operation. It also helps conserving the planet for future generations. Eqo-brush has a typical payback period of less than 1 year. We can assist in an assessment of the expected payback in your operation. Are you ready to stop wasting time and resources? Contact us via the contact page or at info@whatcogroup.co.